Imagine a plane so fast it could fly from New York to London in less than 30 minutes. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's real. Meet NASA's X-43, the fastest jet ever built. This thing is an absolute beast, capable of reaching speeds of almost Mach 10. That's nearly 12,000 kilometers per hour, or about 10 times the speed of sound. But here's the crazy part. This plane doesn't just take off from a runway. Oh no, that's too boring. The X-43 had to be carried up to altitude by a massive B-52 bomber and then dropped, like a baby bird leaving the nest. If that bird was a hypersonic rocket. Only 3 of these incredible machines were ever made, each one pushing the absolute limits of engineering and speed. So, next time you're on a commercial flight, just remember there's a jet out there that could lap you multiple times. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.
What do you think about the fastest jet in the world? It can fly almost 10 times the speed of sound, 11,1854 km/h. The fastest jet is NASA's X-43 experimental plane, 3 of which were built in total. The design meant that they had to be dropped from a Boeing B-52 in order to fly. Stay tuned for more interesting facts. Thanks for watching, listening, and support us. For more crazy fun facts, and don't forget to be happy.